Hey guys, Rocky from Rocky on RVs here. Check out this awesome new floor plan we just got in from Springdale. Alright guys, check it out. The Keystone Springdale 281 rear kitchen. This thing just got in. It's an awesome couples camper with opposing slide outs. Comes in right around 7,000 pounds. It's got an electric tongue jack up front, two 20-pound tanks, spot for a battery, and you can expand your solar panels with that little solar port there. This one's already got 220 watts on the roof of solar. That'll keep your battery nice and charged. Nice big awning there, you can hang out. You got outdoor speakers, outlets, and a spot for a TV out here. Pass-through storage, nice and big. This one's got electric stabilizer jacks on it. Got the solid steps as well. Nice big rear window there. And windows in the slides, which is pretty cool. It's got an LP quick connect, so you can set up a grill or a griddle out here. Spare tire comes with it. It's got a fully walkable roof on this one, and it is prepped for a Lippert ladder if you want to get one of those. It's also prepped for a backup camera. It'll come with the power cord. This one's a 50 amp. It's got two air conditioners on it. Outside shower, hot and cold water. Dump valves. We'll show you how to use all that stuff. This one's got on-demand hot water, so no waiting for showers. And let me open up this other side of the storage here for you. There we go. You got your solar stuff in here. Charge controller ready to go. So, now let me show you what the inside of this Springdale camper looks like. Now we're on the inside of the 281. It's got this beautiful wraparound dinette. That'll make a big bed for somebody. And this table is removable as well, so you can just set that up outside if you'd like. Got this beautiful rear kitchen here. All the space in the world. Gorgeous amount of windows here. And just be really nice to park somewhere with a nice view in the back. Microwave down under. Oven. Glass cover on the stove. We got all this storage down underneath here. Great spot for a trash can there. Tons of drawers. You got outlet here and outlets on the side as well. Spice rack. And these have blackout shades on them, on these windows. All electric refrigerator that'll run right off the battery. And this one does have solar panels on it as well. So it's got 220 watts of solar. You'll be able to run this fridge off of that. Even more storage here. Nice pantry space. And this one has got the super comfy theater seating in it. Storage in the middle for your remote. It's got cup holders. And these things are super comfortable recliners. You can put a TV right on the wall over here. You could probably put a high 40s or 50 inch, something like that on the wall there. It's prepped for the backer right there. And here's all your controls. We got awning, both slide outs, and some lights, as well as tank level indicators on this panel. It's a mid bathroom. And before we go in there, let's check out this little closet they give you. This is another little pantry setup. Pretty awesome. Lots of storage in the bathroom here for your linens and whatnot. Medicine cabinet. There's your on-demand water heater control by the sink here. Some storage underneath there. And check out this shower, it's huge. If you're a tall guy, you'll have no issue here. I'm 5'10". My head's not even coming close to that skylight. And it's just absolutely massive. Moving right along, we got a pocket door to close this whole section off. This is the bedroom. And this looks like a residential queen bed. Got some storage underneath. All this storage to the left and right of the bed for your wardrobe. Got an AC in here. Lots of storage in here as well. This unit's super nice and bright. And this unit is equipped with 2 air conditioners, by the way. So yeah, this is the Springdale 281 rear kitchen. Let me know what you think of this one down in the comments down below, guys. Thank you so much for watching my videos.